there's something that can help you with creative thought development. It's thinking that, okay, anybody who invented anything or discovered anything did it from a place of individual thought. Sure, they studied a lot of people. It doesn't just happen. But in order to develop independent thought, you need to spend time thinking independently. And in our world of left brain lockdown logic, we tend to think if somebody else didn't already do it or think it or write it, then it must not be true. That's not true. Go ahead and think it. Go ahead and experiment with it, even if it sounds a bit Looney Tune. Looney Tune ideas can get you to a really good place. Then you go check it out. Then you research it. Reverse the process. Instead of building on what other people have done, which is a smart thing to do at work, but for yourself, to develop yourself, flip it. Think about fun, crazy Looney Tune stuff. Maybe it comes just from Googling even. And you're like, well, what's that thing? Or even if you're staring up into the sky, I don't know. Start with a crazy idea and then do a Google Facts on it. It will reverse the way you think about it and the way you allow yourself to figure things out. Maybe sometimes you're meditating and your heart tells you something and you have an epiphany. Then you